Throughout my political journey, I have held one conviction close to my heart. Women and minorities were and remain my constituency. During my tenure as the Prime Minister, my government protectively pursued women's empowerment through concrete policy and legislative actions. We introduced landmark legislative reforms that include the Protection Against Harassment of Women at Workplace, Act 2010, which gave women the legal right to safe professional environments. The Asset Control and Asset Crime Prevention Act 2010, which sent a clear message that brutality against women would not go unpunished. The Prevention of Anti-Women Practices Act 2011, criminalizing money, forced marriages, and other harmful customs. The Women in Distress and Detention Fund Amendment Act 2011, providing legal and financial assistance to vulnerable women. While some legislative efforts required further struggle, the direction was clear. Pakistan would not stand still in the face of injustice. A moment of profound personal pride was the launch of Benazir Income Support Program. It was a transformational shift in household economics. By placing financial resources directly into the hands of women, we made millions of them economic decision makers. We moved the charity to dignity, from dependency to empowerment. My government also declared December 22nd as Working Women Day to acknowledge that Pakistan's economic, social, and democratic vitality rests finally on the shoulders of its women. I take pride in the fact that the Women's Parliamentary Caucus, too, was created during my tenure as Prime Minister. It is a symbol of our political democratic commitment towards ensuring that women issues remain central to parliamentary discourse. But, ladies and gentlemen, legislation and policy actions alone do not define a nation's progress. Education and health remain the foundations of sustainable empowerment. Every girl educated is an investment in a stronger economy, healthier families, and more resilient communities. Pakistan has expanded access to education through scholarship programs, stipends, and targeted initiatives designed to improve girls' enrollment and retention, particularly in underserved and marginalized areas. These efforts have enabled thousands of girls to continue their education and pursue opportunities previously beyond their reach. Similarly, investment in maternal health, primary health care, and community health services have contributed to improved health outcomes for women and children, enhancing women's availability to participate fully and productively in society. Excellencies, ladies and gentlemen, as we discuss women's economic empowerment, we must also recognize disproportionate burden borne by women affected by conflict, occupation, displacement, poverty, climate change, and humanitarian crisis. across several regions of the world, women continue to display extraordinary resilience in the face of adversity. They deserve not only our admiration,
OIC वज़ारती कॉन्फ्रेंस बराए ख़वातीन इस वक्त जारी है और यूसुफ रज़ा गिलानी की जानिब से खिताब किया जा रहा है। विमेन
सब्सक्राइब करें और बेल दबाएं ताकि कोई खबर रह न जाए।